How to get price adjustment on Temu. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. To request a price adjustment on Temu, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Temu app and ensure you are logged into your account before you begin. Step 2. Understand price adjustment. A price adjustment allows you to receive a refund for the difference if the price of an initial item, which is of same color and same size from the same store, drops within 30 days of purchase. Please note that items on promotion, clearance, or no longer available may not qualify. Step 3. Navigate to your orders. On the home page, scroll to the bottom to find various options. Click on View, then select your orders. This page lists all your past orders. Find the order containing the item you want to adjust. Step 4. Request price adjustment. Click on the relevant order, then locate the Request Price Adjustment button. Enter the new price of the item and click Submit. Temu will review your request, and if approved, they will process a refund for the price difference. Now some important reminders. You must request the adjustment within 30 days of purchase. The item must be in its original unused condition. The item must match exactly with the one that is on sale. Adjustment for different colors or sizes are not allowed. Temu may charge a restocking fee for price adjustments. Now you know how to request a price adjustment on Temu. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.